Hey guys, welcome to another video. This video is a little bit different today. Basically, I'm just going to show you how to install proximity chat for Among Us. Um, First thing I'm going to do is go to Google, and so there's going to be a link in the description. Just go to that link, and then it should just automatically download, as you can see in the bottom left corner. And So you just want to wait for this to install. It might take like 2 minutes or something, maybe less, maybe 10 seconds. Depends how quick your internet is. And then once it is installed, as you can see, you just want to click it, and then it will install it. So you can close Google now. So it should be installing, and then this should pop up, and then basically that's pretty much all you need to do. So if you want to use the proximity chat, make sure that you press open game from the crew link from this, because if you press Among Us and open it from that way, this will not work. So once you're in here, click the settings, top left corner, and then there's settings here. You can put your microphone on, and then speakers, push to talk or voice activated. Don't need to worry about any of this stuff, unless you want to unclick these. You can, but I recommend just leave them on. And that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. If this did help you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and peace.